like what are the issues that might start cropping up?
We'll see the honorable MLAs what issues they get to my notice. Accordingly, I will just.
So do you think about the formalin issue is there in
That is not pertains to fisheries department. It's handled by FTA.
तर पयर उलयता आसतना एक गजाल जाली की मालीम सारक्या जेटीचेर अत्याचार जाता अन्याय जाता गोंयकारांक डिझल दिना भायल्या लोकांनी तुवें मोनोपोली केल्या इलिगलिटी चलता ताजेरूय स्टेटमेंट जातलें.
Yeah, I will statement on the floor of the house that I will inspect and I will take cognizance of all these so-called illegalities.
आणि एक आसा म्हणजे WRDन भितर रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग रूफटॉप रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग हो एक विशय येवपाक शकता. तुमी हाजेर स्टेटमेंट करपाची शक्यताय आसा?
Yeah, there is a possibility of making a statement on this vision of the water resource department to give a major trust to water harvesting.
सर रिगार्ड्स टू फिशरी एक्सपोर्ट आणि इम्पोर्ट जाता पळय तेजेर कांय फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटाचे वॉच ना तुमचे कडेन कितले फिगरूच ना एक्सपोर्ट कितलो जाता आनी इम्पोर्ट कितलो जाता तेजेर कितें
It is the whole idea of fisheries department to go to streamline in order to have a control over the all fishing activities.
बट तेजेर कितें हाडटले तुमी सोल्युशन हाडटले?
आता पहिले ऐकूया सगळे आमदारांचे ऐकूया. I want to hear the views of the honorable MLA selected representative and accordingly my vision is to have a total control over the fishing.
Philip, after so many years, you will be, responding to demands for grants. And when you were minister last time, it was irrigation department. Are you like little nervous? You are confident, non-confident? What are your feelings right now?
What I have observed soon after taking water resource department is this: we need to take issues on priority. It's a major trust to cover. That's आमदार आमचे they are talking about retaining walls, they are talking about nalas. But the main trust has to be given for water conservation. Water conservation and it's supplied to the needs of drinking water, agriculture, irrigation and industry. That is the whole idea.
You are known for your irrigation department stint that time and now. Changes झाल्या काय तेन्ना आशिल्ले तश्योच सगळ्यो गजाली आसा? Issues same आसा काय issues बदलल्या?
Always every government, every minister see the